Picture showing the feet of a female. On cutaneous examination of the both feet, there are multiple tense bullas. They are present over the dorsum aspect of the both feet. The largest one being measuring about 6 into 5 centimeter in size, present over the dorsum of the left foot, extending from the mid of the dorsum of the foot and involved with involvement of the dorsum of the big toe and extending laterally to the third toe. And similar tense bullas, they are also present over the rest of the part of the foot and over the toes, dorsum aspect of the toes, and there are also present some flaccid bullas. They are also present over the dorsum aspect of the toes of the right foot, along with a large bulla having the similar distribution as the left one. And on further examination, I would like to do the bulla spreading sign, and also there is the surrounding skin is showing the brownish hyperpigmentation. And I would like to examine the toe web spaces, and also want to do the nail examination. The nails are found to be normal and no obvious pathology is seen. And on further examination, would like to examine the plantar aspect of the both feet for similar lesions. And also would like to examine the pulses, and also would like to examine the joint movements, and there is any restriction. And then I will move to see the other axial parts like the both hands. And in the second picture, it is showing the multiple tense bullas which are present over the dorsum aspect of the both hands, and with swollen fingers, and also showing the fingers showing the dusky erythema. And the dusky erythematous patches, they are also present over the palmar aspect of the both hands, most predominantly over the palmar part, palmar aspect of the fingers, and also the lateral aspect of the thenar eminence. And on further examination, I would like to examine the nails. Nails are found to be normal of the hand. And then I will would like to examine the mucosae, that is the oral mucosa for similar lesions, and also would like to examine the genital mucosa. And meanwhile, I will examine the eyes, mucosa of the eyes, and also would like to examine the nasal mucosa. And on further examination, I would like to examine the scalp and the both ear canals as well, and for any Schuster sign. And also in relevant examination, I would like to examine the chest, that is the respiratory examination. And then would like to examine the rest of the cutaneous examination. And meanwhile, we'll do the abdominal examination for any visceromegaly. And that's all. And would like to examine the lymph nodes as well.